Oh, boys, girls. Someone mentioned that they rinse off the chicken the last time I made my chicken salad. So I rinsed off my chicken, boys and girls. I'm gonna put a little bit of mayonnaise in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of ranch in there. Yes, it's still good, boys and girls. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Oh, man, boys and girls. Break. I was looking for my relish. I can't take the noise. A little bit of garlic. A little bit of onion. If you wonder what I'm watching Mama's Family. I got 2 shells here. Boys and girls, how are you doing? I'm not doing too good. Guess what happened to me? Someone made a fraudulent purchase from me using PayPal, and I didn't see the order. I saw the copy of the payment transaction, so I thought it was something wrong with PayPal, and it was on hold. Now you know, dumb me. I should have known better. I already packaged up the thing, sent a video of the thing I was sending out. Come to find out, it was a it was a scammer. She scammed me, and then she gonna ask me to dial a number for PayPal so she could send the money. I said I'm on the phone with PayPal now, and I gave them your phone number, and she said okay. After telling me she was gonna send me another payment, next thing you know, guess what? Her account is gone. Mm, mm. That's what happens when you're trustworthy. When you trust people for no reason. Mm, 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 mm. This is this crafted bread or something like that. Bruce. I don't know how to pronounce it. Mm, mm, woo. Mm, 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 mm. Delicious. I don't know what made me put ranch in there, but the sweetness of this bread. Woo. Mm, boom. Mm, dang, it's good. Mm, mm, mm. Uh, I was I was gonna cook, but I said absolutely not because I am tired, boys and girls. I'm tired, and after what just happened to me, I just felt so bad. But I'm thankful that I called PayPal and got it taken care of. I also put a note in the mailbox for the person who collects the mail if they happen to see it to put my package back in my mailbox. I did say I put the wrong address on it. 9 times out of 10, they're not gonna see it, and that bracelet's going to the wrong address. Mm. But I'm gonna be okay. It won't happen again. I'm not gonna trust the next person. Mm-mm. 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 Mm. Tomatoes are good. They're not good for fibromyalgia. They cause inflammation. So I'm not gonna tell you to eat them. But that's all I can eat. Ooh, my stomach full. I tell you, I can't eat bread. Bread is, I may not be buying bread anymore. Thank you so much for watching my video, liking and subscribing. Have a good day. Bye-bye.